2026 Citroën 2CV Cabriolet, a modern classic returns. Design, classic Reimagined. The 2026 Citroën 2CV Cabriolet pays homage to the original's unmistakable silhouette. It features rounded fenders, a high, arched roofline, and, of course, the soft-top roof that made the original 2CV a hit with countryside travelers and city dwellers alike. However, this new version brings sleek, modern lines to the exterior, with LED lighting, aerodynamic touches, and subtle chrome accents that evoke a retro feel while maintaining a contemporary edge. The convertible roof has been revamped to include modern materials that are both lightweight and weather-resistant, ensuring durability and ease of use. With a quick-release latch system, drivers can effortlessly switch between open-air cruising and closed-roof comfort. To cater to modern tastes, Citroën offers a variety of color options that range from vintage-inspired pastels to bold, vibrant hues. Interior, comfort with a nostalgic twist. Inside, the 2026 2CV Cabriolet combines the simplicity of the original with today's advanced comforts. The dashboard is minimalist but elegant, featuring a digital display that provides essential driving information without clutter. Citroën has included retro-inspired toggle switches and knobs, while the seats are plush and supportive, with upholstery options that echo classic textiles.